We are live. 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 Okay, there we go, guys. Drop some W's in the chat before I start. If you guys can hear me, drop some W's in the chat. If you can actually hear me, then I know we are ready to take forth. Yeah, ready to take over. Ready to take over on a Friday. On a vrijdag. On a vrijdag. Yeah. Your story on WhatsApp?
No, WhatsApp.
Oh. Okay, let's get started.
No, next one.
Reminder. Yeah, good morning. A reminder that if you are chasing big goals in 2026,
That was for me.
alcohol is not your friend. Oh my gosh, someone posted that and I was like, what the hell? Okay, cool, perfect. Okay, I guess that's not his friend this year. Mashallah, that's good, that's good, that's good. So good morning, traders. Hope you guys doing well and blessed. Welcome back to Magical Live Stream. I'm your host, Shaquel Samaai today, and I'll be taking you guys through the London session. With that being said, guys, before we start, I would really appreciate if you guys can just like the stream. That way it unlocks me to actually continue with the analysis, break down the market, and take it from there. Yep, good thing, I don't know. They say it's a good thing, bro. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. Yeah, 100%. Let's go. Let me see who's in the chat as well. We have over here, we have Brandon in the chat. Of course, Superior. Is it Superior? With the space out here. How is it? Yo, Brandon. Miuso. We have Keith. Keith in the chat as well. He's the second trader for Comit Capital. Second paid out for top 10 in top 10 for December. He's back. I'm happy. And that's the one thing about a trader like him. You can see that even though he made his money, he's still a student towards the market. And that's one thing I love. Okay. Today's NFP, 100% traders. Today's NFP on the market, which is exciting. Right. It's the first NFP for 2026, which marks the year. It's going to be a big day, guys. I do believe because it's the very first one, we're going to have massive moves in the market. On the other side, good morning, Musa. Away. Lika J. And again, guys, Juma Barak to all my brothers and sisters. May this day be a blissful one. It's a Holy Friday for us, you know. So, blissful one, guys. I'm excited. And make sure you go to Masjid. Or mosque. Make sure you go, okay? Because money comes, but money goes as well. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, before we start, let's see, do unlock. Guys, we still haven't liked the stream. Oh, why must we always beg for a like on the stream? No, man. Man. No, man. You guys must just know by now. Like, come on stream, like the stream, and then we start the stream. You know what I mean? And that way it works nice. It shows support, and that's why it recommends the stream to more traders who needs the help. Any advice on how to trade NFP? Yes, I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna actually break down. Wow, beautiful. You guys are not showing off. Now you guys showing off with the likes. Now you guys showing off. Already 50% of people are liked already from the stream. That is showing off right now. Okay, like, love it. I'm gonna break down how we trade NFP. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly how to trade NFP. Do you guys want to know how to trade NFP? It's a little secret of mine. I want to show you guys on how do I actually trade NFP. It's just a cheat code of mine. It's one of my cheat codes on how I hold also winning trades as well. Just let me know, guys, if you guys want me to go over how to actually go through NFP. This is the community, the best community. Yeah, that's correct, Brian. It is really, like, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, this community is really big. The one thing I can say is that when I wake up in the morning and I really don't feel like waking up, I think about you guys. I think about, bro, there's a lot of people waiting for the stream, bro. And if we don't pull up on the stream, they're going to be disappointed in us. And then they needed help. They needed assistance. They are learning. I like the feedback from you guys. So you guys are actually one of the reasons why when I'm demotivated, I actually feel motivated. So with that being said, I thank you guys. Actually, thank you guys for being there, supporting us, in the sense of just showing up, interacting. And for everyone who can't comment, if you wonder why you can't comment, you must be a subscriber to be able to comment. But that's too. I'm getting too emotional. No, man. Like, I'm just being serious, bro. Like, honestly, like, on a serious note, like, I really appreciate it. I feel like I'm connected with you guys. I feel like I've built in a bond with you guys and a relationship. And that's what a community is, And the day I take a loss, I know that you guys will be there for me. And when you take a loss, now you'll be here with us. You know what I mean? You'll be with me as well. I mean, if you take a loss, we'll be there for you. And that's what the trading community is for. It's just to support each other, because in a day, bro, I know I'm not the best trader in the world, because no one is the best. We all do take losses. And if I'm the best, yes, I believe I'm the best for myself. But everyone has to have some sort of faith in yourself, right? In order for others to believe that you are good, right? Because if I didn't believe in myself, you wouldn't believe in me. I mean, you would have been on a stream as well. So for me, I believe that the first step is to believe in yourself, right? Of course, believe in God, but then believe in yourself so others can start believing in you. But what that being said is, even if you believe in yourself, it's still, a community still goes a long way. Because, is that a sound of a bot? But a community goes a long way, because the day I'm going to feel defeated, and I don't feel like I have the energy, the moment I come on the stream and I see the engagement, like I can see the chat right here, like I can actually see the chat right here like this. I can actually see the chat. See there, I can actually watch what you guys say, and like that engagement of you guys, it really motivates me. And that's why I see, like, the more people engage, the more I feel motivated, and the more I'm inspired, as well as, like, it tells me, okay, look here, provide the value, bro. People are here, provide the value. You don't have to hold back, provide value. People are actually really watching, they're engaging, they want this, they appreciate it. And that's why I'm like, okay, not continue, go for it. So I want to say I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do, every one of you guys. And like my brother say, assalamu alaikum, Juma Barak to you as well, man. Win or lose, we in this together. End of the day, 100%, bro. And that's what I like about you guys, that we're here together, and I really appreciate it. Can I start now with the analysis, guys? Because we've been to emotion right now. We're traders. We don't have emotions. We don't have emotions. Like, we're traders, bro. Like, who has emotions? Not me. I'm a trader. No, who has? Let's get. Wipe that tears off. I'm a trader. I don't have emotions. I'm emotions. I have to make money in this market. Let's get back to trading. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's get back to it, guys. Before I get back to not me. You just got emotional right now. No, that's not emotion, bro. I'm just getting myself checked right now. Not me. I'm a trader. I don't say, man. You gotta be real with yourself, bro. No one, you can't. You know what? They can't catch you lacking. I mean, if you catch you lacking, bro, they're gonna target you, bro. You know what Alex is? Alex has to do this. This is Alex, guys. Oh, like this. This is how he comes in the market. He says he comes in the market like this. He's ready to take the best entries. A sniper entry. Guys, straight up, let's get started now. Focus in analysis. I know because some people want to get straight to the market. They have work, studies. Some of you guys are just sitting on the toilet pot. Didn't wipe your bums yet. So wipe your bums. Okay. On a serious note, come on, man. Let's take a moment before I just go into a new analysis on gold and then give you guys the cheat code. So stay until the end, guys. I'm gonna give you guys the cheat code on how I'm trading NFP and what's my direction for NFP as well for all the markets. I'm gonna go over gold, US30, and Nasdaq, and I'll do one currency for you guys as well. Okay, so stay until the end, guys, and I'll go through that for you guys. Okay, guys. So I know you guys want to go through NFP. I'm gonna give my analysis for NFP, GBP USD. There we go. Did you hear? No, you didn't hear. You didn't hear that. No. You didn't hear the backside. Only front side. Yes, sir. So we'll go through the GBP for you guys. I'll put it as my currency, GBP USD, and I'll go through Nasdaq, gold, US30, and gold, US30, Nasdaq, GBP USD, 4 currency. There's 4 pairs. Yeah, I'll go through it. But I need some rockets in the chat. I really need some rockets, bro. I need some rockets. You know why? Because yesterday I took my time to break down this beautiful chart work for you, and I'm not done. Are we gonna go through it again? We're not done. I said to you guys from this point, rockets in the chat, bro. Just like I said to you guys, very simple things. From once markets out from this area, it's going either to this price. If it breaks below you, or if it breaks above, it's going to this price. So now you guys seen it for yourself. Just rockets in the chat. There we go. I see. You guys see it for yourself. Rockets in the chat, please. If you were here yesterday and you experienced, you were live with me and you watched me call out this trades for you guys, now it's a time. You know why I'm asking this is because the person who's new on the chat right now, new on stream, he doesn't know how I trade. He doesn't know, can this guy trade? Can this guy call out great trades? Does he educate well? Easy, you know what I mean? Is he a fly by night? Or maybe is it a fly by day? You know what I mean? But this is an example for you guys. This is an example for you guys that for everyone who's new on the chat, new on stream, it's your first day. It's twist. Don't worry, you're in good hands, bro. Don't worry. I did stinger. I did wash my hands. I did clean myself. I did take a do today. In fact, hustled today. You know what I mean? It means I cleaned my body beautiful. So in good hands, man. And I got the ingredients to cook up some great trades for you. So why I'm saying people should drop the rockets in the chat is for all the new traders, right? It doesn't know how I trade or doesn't have any experience, can see that there are traders on the stream who witness on how I call these trades out. So I said it's very simple. Market's gonna go to this price right there. Gave a simple price, and you see where market is stopping, guys. Does it make sense, guys? Look at this. Now we can focus. I just want you guys to focus right now. Just focus for me. All right, bro. You could have took that to the grave. So I just want you guys to focus right now. Okay, they must know. Hey, I don't want to say it, bro. I just want to say something. Just look at how beautiful price stops and ranges at the price right here. You gonna say? Look at the precision of price from year to year, and look at how market stops at this area. That is a like, goddamn! Like, so honestly, guys, I want you guys to take in that. How did I know that markets? I didn't know. I really didn't know. It's just about experience, and then look at what does market do over and over and over. So with that being said, this is yesterday's stuff. Now we need new predictions or an analysis on the market. Now I need a new analysis on the market, right? Okay. So let's do a new analysis, guys. And can I start, guys? Just drop some W's in the chat if I can start now and analyzing a new analysis. So you guys have taken this. I'm gonna screenshot this as well. So you know, because I screenshot it on live the before, right? And now I'm gonna screenshot this one, the after on live. There we go. Okay, guys. So W's in the chat. If you're new here, go watch yesterday's recording. It's gold, 100%. It's gold like XAU USD. Okay, I can start a new one. Perfect. So I'm gonna start with gold, guys. US30, Nasdaq, and then I'll do a currency for you guys. Okay. So let's start. So first thing, guys, on a daily time frame, one of the most easiest thing to do to get a bias for the day is to look at a daily time frame, guys. Right now, if you're new and or you just experienced or you've been trained, guys, write this down. This is a simple thing to do, guys. Is to look at, is the market ranging or impulsing on the daily time frame? That's the first thing. Secondly, what was yesterday's daily candle? Big bullish, big bearish, rejection, no rejection, small candle, doji. All these things are speaking a language to us in the market. Understand that the candlestick itself, by the time you're done with my streams, by the end of this month probably, or end of this year, not even end of this, end of the stream, you'll understand the language of the forex market. You understand? And that a candle itself It's speaking a language to you. It's telling you something in the market. And maybe right now you don't know exactly what the candle is telling you, but I'm going to explain to you guys how to read what the candle is telling you. You understand? So if a candle has wicks at the bottom, it's telling you, I've rejected to go down. I don't want to go down. Do you understand what I'm saying? Think about it. This was saying that the candle was here once upon a time, but failed to close here at the bottom. And during that candle's open yesterday, the market had strength. The buyers had strength to push the market all the way up. Woo! And that's why you can see that this was a strong buying candle. Does it make sense, guys? So with that being said, even with this one, you can see the same thing. Market sold all down. Had the strength to sell it all the way down for a period of time. And then right after that, what happens? Buyers comes in. Woo! Back up. And there you can see right over there, market is failing to break below this area. That's just reading simple price action. Now I'm reading what the candles are telling me. I'm reading what are the candles telling me. Okay, guys. That's what the candle is telling me. That market's failing to break below here. So we have another candle, open up bearish, rejection. Isn't this the same thing that happened over here? What happened over here? What happened over here? Isn't it the same thing happening? When the candle is open, market tried to push it all the way down. It's leaving the rejection. There's 13 hours left. Can this thing be the push for NFP today? Does that make sense to you guys? Let me know. Before I continue, guys, I just want to know in the chat right now, does that make sense to our traders right now? Before moving to the next step, does that make sense right now, guys? Just let me understand. Does it actually make sense that a simple thing like that, guys? There we go. Perfect. 100%. There we go. So I can move on to the next step, right? So you see what I'm doing is, as I'm breaking down the market, I'm just trying to understand what is the time frame saying on the daily time frame. Then I move on to the next one. I get to understand what's happening in that one. And it's just building like a bit of a storyline. I'm building a picture. You understand? That's what I'm trying to say. So the possibility, there's a high possibility to move up. However, what I need to look at is, even though it can move up, it can say it can create new highs, great stuff. But I don't know. Because in a day, this is just as well just a range. Are you with me? It's just a range. This is technically just a range. So I'm going to say, for me personally, we're going to have to watch what happens from here for the daily time frame. But on a lower time frame, what does it mean? That I can take a buy up from here, I can take a sell from here so long. That's what I can do. But it's on a daily time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower time frame. Like, let's just go on 4 hour to see it much more better. This is the fake out over there. Let's remove this quick. Right? Let's go 30-minute time frame. And then we work on this one. Now I'm like, okay, is the market impulsing? Is the market impulsing? Or is the market actually, contracting? These are questions you have to ask yourself as a trader. Is the market impulsing or is the market contracting? Because if the market's impulsing, you missed the move. But if the market's contracting, you are at the start of a move. You're at the start before the impulse actually appears or happens on the market. Now I'm going to ask you guys a question. This price action right over here, is that impulsing or is this contracting? What do you guys think? Leave me in the chat, guys. I love the engagement. Guys, please don't forget, guys, to like the stream. I also appreciate if you guys can like the stream. And if you want to trade with the broker I'm using Space Markets, and the platform I'm using is Comit Capital. Okay, contracting. Thurlow says, hey, Thurlow, what's happening, brother? God damn, what's happening, bro? It's nice to see over there, brother. That's my brother. That's my brother. Like my brother. Yes, us. Hey, Thurlow, what's happening, broski? Hey, bro, it's crazy to see. Like, it's nice. It's just nice. You see that? Like, it's nice. You're looking blessed, my brother. Man, I'm happy to see you. And I see you still active in the gym, which is good. That's good. Yeah. Just join. Let's go. Amazing stuff, brother. Contracting, brood. Yes, contracting is contracting 100%. Now, the next thing is, if market is contracting, the market is contracting, having oh, wait. Someone just said right now, market is contracting over here because it's close to giving birth to a massive move in the market. You understand what I'm saying? That the market is contracting right over here because it's ready to give a possible massive move. It's going to give birth to a massive move in the market. Soon. So before the market gives birth to a massive... Yesterday we were talking about animals. Today we're talking about the human. You know what I'm saying? Before a massive baby comes in this world, one goes to contraction. And then explodes. Then there's a whole new life. An impulse in life. It either fails in life and it's a fake breakout. It fails to continue the impulse. It retraces back to where it comes from. Or it actually impulses and continues to create new highs in life and succeeds. That's the same as trading. Oh my gosh, bro. It's crazy, bro. The analogies out here are too high. If you don't catch it, it went over your head like this. It went over. It's miss. It's miss for your bus. It's miss, guys. Like, if you don't catch it, if you don't understand what I'm saying, like, bro, it's gone. Listen. Yo, look at this guy, bro. What the hell? No, bro, you're going deep now. Now you're going too deep, bro. Now you're going too deep. That's too deep. I said, training is like you contract, and after contraction, what happens? There's birth, which is the impulse. It contracts and then it pushes impulse. Now, either it fails in life. You understand? Because not everyone here is going to succeed in life. Let's be honest. Hi, gents. Not everyone's going to succeed. They're going to fail in life. Or you get the one that they gave birth to. He creates new highs in the family. He creates new success. He goes up. Space. That's the trader I want to be. You get what I'm saying? I'm that trader. I'm not the other trader, the fake out, the false breakout. I'm not that one. I'm so sorry. But let's get back to the analysis, guys. So on a serious note. Deeper, papa. Eish, you sound like a Congolese man. Papa. Let's go deep. Let's go actually analysis, guys, because now we can really lose ourselves. Let's go back to it now. Let's go back into the analysis. So first things first, I can see that there is a resistance right here. Now, I don't like to draw simple resistance and support, but if you can't see it, there is this one right here, right? There is this one right here, but I'll be honest with you, I'm going to watch out more for these right here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a full range like this. Okay. And I'm going to use this as my range. Why am I using this as my range, Shaquel? And put it like that. But I'm focused on these areas. Let's just put this out here. Turn this into a blue area. Now I'm focused on these right here. I'm focused on this one right here, and you can see there's a lot of rejections right here, right? Market candle goes up, fall, goes up, fall, goes up, fall, goes up, fall all the time, and then it actually has a drop. Market stops right over here. Okay, so I'm focused on this one right here as well, guys. You see market stops. My question in my mind right here, and I'm trying to give you all my thoughts as I'm analyzing, is that market drops impulsively all the way down. Why did market just stop here? Why did market stop here? Like, why does it just stop here? And then market goes up from here. I have the same range out. Nice. Yes, that's amazing. Then you're really learning. Then you're really catching up right now. Then you're really learning. I'm very happy, man. I'm happy. The market goes up, tries one more time here, and goes up and fails here. So this is a great range for me right now. I'm gonna watch it from here. Now, once I have a range, the question for people who doesn't know, I mean, I need as much engagement right now. If you really want to, I need as much engagement. Does everyone understand what happens after this range? Yes or no? Just give it to me. Yes or no? Then I can take it from here. Just everyone drop it down. Then the quicker we can go through it, the quicker I can go through my analysis for NFP, guys, and for all the other markets, please. A little quicker than we can go, because I know I can go, so I can. Yes, breakout. There we go. 100%. Ashlyn Govan, you are 100% correct. Big move. Yes. Yassine. Yeah. Uzi Gaming. What? Uzi? What's your real name, bro? I think I've seen yours on my Instagram. Uzi Gaming, but not your Instagram is not gaming. Uzi Gaming, but I think you always on a lot on our stream every day. Thank you so much, bro. Manipulation. Okay, breakout confirmation. Impulse break-in. Break-in, you mean breakout. 30-minute break. So we're gonna have a breakout, right? Uzi's pumping bullets, bro. I hope he's it's Uzair. Okay, but Uzi for all the bullets you're shooting, all the take profits you're hitting, and that makes sense. Uzi TP. Yeah. So I'm gonna look for breakout either upwards, and if I'm looking for breakout upwards, my next thing is where can it go to? That's new high right there. Okay, so for 500. So just put it at this, the price that we can look at, or one price we can look at is this right here, 4 bar. Okay. Next one, why am I doing that, Shaquel? Again, keeping in mind, I'm looking at, okay, where is the trend coming from? I'm trying to see if it's going up. It's going up right there. So I can see, I'm not using the trend line. I'm looking at simple arrow to understand where is the market going up. I see the arrows pointing up. I can see market's going up. So if I'm gonna look for buy, that's where I'm gonna go into. Now, if a market's gonna sell, this is very nice, right? But keep in mind, it's a beautiful sell as well, which is all the way down here, right? I wouldn't take this one. I'll take this one because market shoots up and then tries one more time a year. So I'll take these. Now, I'd say over here would be for sells. However, keep in mind that we have a slowdown right here, which is very close, right, as we break out, which is over here. Now, what I'll do is when I have closer areas, I just put on a trend line like this, and that's like for me to watch out for. You see, guys, have you guys noticed? I like to have a chart that's very clean, or like I don't have a lot of stuff on my chart, because I really don't like no, we don't lie. We allow you to take trades before and after news. We don't like you to take trades at news. Like if news come out, like today, let's look at today, right? I'm gonna just go through this. I'm gonna show you guys something quick. Economical, let's say investing.com. Let's go to investing.com. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys something quick, because here's investor.com, right? Let's go to this because I know people want to know about the news. What time is NFP coming out? So we go here, guys. This is how to set up your economical calendar. For those who doesn't know how to look at your news as well. Just one time. Let's go through it. My camera needs to be fixed because you guys can't see. So let's do that. Okay. There we go. And then there we go. Perfect. So this is how you look for your news, okay, guys, and set up. So you're gonna go here, filter. Now what I do is I just put on select all, right, and then right there, 3-star, okay, and then I say apply, and then now it shows me what is happening for today. Here it's gonna give you the description. You can see non-farm payrolls today. There we go. So now my time zone is not correct, so I need to fix my time zone. So you go over here. You go to time zone, so you look for your time zone. There's Johannesburg, South Africa time, or whatever time you're in, and then there we go. Now I can see it at 3:30 South African time. So the Alpus 3 South African time, that's the time that NFP will be happening. Okay, guys. What is better, Forex Factory or investing? Both is good. Like, I just like Forex investing in Com because it's so much more cleaner. Like, Forex Factory looks old. Like, it's like, yeah, I don't know. For somebody it looks like you working in 1990 something website. So yeah, that's how we. Does everyone understand how to do the news? Look for news and what time is the NFP happening? NFP is happening at 3:30 today. No, not why I'm no longer stream. I told you guys yesterday at Saf. It's not that I don't stream with Saf1. We will stream together as well. It's just that Saf1 is on holiday. He only comes back Monday. So he took a longer holiday. So he only comes back Monday, guys. So Saf1 is on holiday. You know, the SS team. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys. I didn't know before, but now I do. Shukran, brother. Afwan, man. I'm happy that at least it could help you. So now you know how to look for your news, guys. You know? What news is coming out and when. Okay, we missed the SS team so much. Hey, bro. It was so you know, we didn't even plan that we're going to be the SS team or anything like that. Like, really, like, it was just something natural that came about. Like, we just streamed together. I'm like, and Daisy in the chat. Shout out to my Safwan. Shout out to Safwan, man. Shout out to him. So, it just came out. We streamed together and then we saw that we play the same. Like, okay, I draw a box, no? But he does this. This is Safwan. Like, I'm gonna share what I know. I can't share too much to you guys, right? But he'll draw like a support resistance like that, right? But if you look at it, it's the same thing. And we're waiting for the same candle breakout, same targets, same thing. Same. And it was like, whoa, bro, like we trade the same. Like we trade the same. And like I'm not gonna spill it out. Like there's another mentor as well, who trades as well like that, you know. Cape Town was so good, he didn't want to leave. Yeah, Cape Town is the place. I mean, I'm from Cape Town, and I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, Joburg is a place to be for working. Like, if you really like want to cook and work and focus, it's really a place. But Cape Town is a place to like enjoy. But here we go. So that is my targets, guys. Now, the other thing is this is for my gold. Okay, guys. I'm watching NFP. I'm gonna see that before NFP, before 3, if the market's above here, I'm gonna look for it to continue going up. Right, and if it's before 3, below here, then I can look for it to sell down. However, the thing is, my only problem with this is I'm gonna be very honest, you guys. This is very close, man. This is very close. It's just so close. So I don't want to trick that sell because I'm gonna have a very short move. I can. It's a 30-minute time frame, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay. So that is that on my end. Let's see. Where's Johnson Premium Glazer? What is that? What is that? That sounds funny. Sounds like Johnson's oil, baby oil. It's like Johnson's Premium Glazer. Like, listen, it's like you know, like that. What is that? You guys are, bro. What is that? I'm confused, bro. Like, what is that? Johnson Premium Glazer. That literally sounds, I'm not gonna lie, that sounds like Johnson's baby oil and you the premium one and you glaze yourself on like glazer. What is that? I'm confused anyway, it's fine. Let's move on to the next one, guys. US 30. Right? Yo. I said 15, 30. Look at this. Damn. What even's happened over here? Damn. What happened here? Damn. I see no reason to say gold sell. Yeah, I mean, I see, again, like I said, what's your name? Jerinston Shakur. I don't have anything against selling or buying. I just go with what the market's doing, right? I just saying, like, if I'm gonna sell gold, look here, this is gonna be the only thing I'm gonna watch out for. It's like this is much more closer right here. You understand? Like if it sells, breaks out here, this is the first thing I'm gonna have to watch it for. But when it buys, it's so much void here. There's so much open that it can just go all the way up easily. Do you see what I'm saying? But when it sells, I must watch out for this one first and then to this one here. Okay, so I'm not saying that it won't sell. I'm just saying what I'm looking for, either price to go to here 500.887, and if it sells, my first one I'm gonna watch out for is actually because it can stop here at 4.444 and the other numbers there. And then if it does close below, then it can go all the way to here. You see, so with this one, it's straight to that price. There's no in between. They can stop it. It's a clean void. You can say that clean area to go into. It's easier. There's no structure. It's stopping it from here. It's easy. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys. I don't know. Oh, I see. Magic happened. That smells very nice, Alex.
Excuse me?
It smells very it smells very nice. What did you buy yourself?
I have a nice cappuccino.
Nice. I can smell. It smells good. 30-minute time frame. So coming back to here, guys. I'm gonna do gold right now, guys. I mean US30. Okay, guys. I'm gonna start analyzing US30 right now. Okay. Let's no. Put that on. There we go. I'm gonna start analyzing US30. Okay. Do you look for break on 30-minute time frame? I do. It depends on. Okay, so let me say this. If I want to be conservative, I'll wait for the break. If I want to be impulsive, I have two type of entries. Impulsive is my favorite type of entry, guys, and I'm not going to lie to you guys. US30 taxes is to up down. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hey, it's hot. Yeah, it is. Wow. Beautiful. We have 170 people on the stream. Wow. Can we get that likes up? Make me happy. The streams are like getting a mentor for free. Yeah. How you gotta do this? You can't see the dance now. This is the dance. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. We are growing, guys. I'm so happy, guys. Yes. Thank you so much. You guys are stars. Yeah. You guys are making. Yeah. We're helping more. The thing is, I'm happy because we're helping more people, bro. Like more people, and more people. I feel like I can go on a live for another hour. I feel like that. I can like go another hour just because of this. We can hit 180 people right now on stream. Beautiful, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Leave the dance floor for Amapianos.
Oh, yeah, bro. You know my moves.
Bro, I got Amapiano move, bro.
I'm the best.
Nah, bro. Bro. Nah. Let's start. Can I do analysis? I'm going to do the analysis. So US30 right now. Same thing, guys. Okay, I can go on the daily time frame to understand. But we have the daily highs right here. Where we have these highs, right? As watch out these ones, and we have these lows right here. Okay. Then we have also the openings right here. So this is another tip for you guys. The opening candles, we can see we have openings right over here, and we have the closes right here. Opening closes right here as well. Okay. So now, without having to draw too much, look here. I'm gonna look at, okay, we have that high right there. Okay, so we can take this one off, which is much more cleaner. But I'm gonna make it the average and put it right there. Okay, we do have also this right here. We're gonna watch out for. This is too much nonsense. So I'll take this one off and just keep it to this price right here. But you can see market stopped once and then here. So I'll put it as the start right over here. Now I can, not saying wrong, guys, you can put it towards over here. Okay, not saying you can't, you can actually put it towards right over there. Okay, so we can put it right over there. This one you can see if I put it here, it's very close already. So that's why I'm like, I'm gonna put it just here, but I'm gonna use a trend line. This is targets, guys, by the way, if you're wondering what am I doing. I'm drawing targets right now. I'm drawing targets. Okay, how you got moves, bro? stay for extra hour. You must post the live links in the Discord as well. You think so? I will ask Alex.
Yeah.
No, we should do that, no?
Sure.
Yeah, 'cause I think who's in Commit Capital's Discord? Like, is anyone here in Commit Capital's Discord? It's like that's the interest. That's a good one. And then we have there's a massive void right here. So now the question, no one is okay. Okay. This is for real mentorship. Yeah, no, it is, nah. I'm very happy that we can do this for you guys. So we have this right here. Now I'm gonna ask you guys a question before I do minus, and this is all for NFP, right? I'm doing this all for NFP. We can take London session trades, but bro, it's just a range right now. So there's 2 ways to trade this, 3 ways actually. It's a breakout, the first breakout, which is very high risk, right? Secondly, we can wait for a closure candle, right? And then yes, please save the login. I'm gonna do that 100%. I know you want to see you thrive. I'm gonna do it, man. I'm going to do it. Just be patient. I'm waiting for Safwan to pull through as well, because I want to speak with Safwan as well. And then I know Safwan is gonna want to do it with me. So I'm just waiting for Safwan. Safwan is coming on Monday, guys. Okay, as I said, follow me on Instagram so you can stay tuned as well. But I know on Monday, Safwan said he'll be back in the office, so I'm just gonna wait for him and then we take it from there. Okay, because means it's his team, bro. We push nice together. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm thinking like, why not we both push together and it'll be nice that way. So there we go. So now my question is, bro, what candle confirmation you entry? I don't believe in really crazy candlestick confirmations, because the market's gonna move that way either with your candle or not your candle. Does that make sense? Like, check here. Imagine you had to wait for bearish engulf in here. Bam! Such a big candle. Like, I don't have anything wrong with it. These days I'm gonna use it. The days I don't want to have to use it. Like, I'm honestly just going by what I'm seeing in the market. Like, right now, if I see the market impulse out here impulsively, and I can see now like it's a massive void right here, then I'm gonna go for it. If I feel like I can't take the risk right now to go for impulsive entry, which is a higher risk entry, then I'm gonna go for it. But it is a high risk entry, right? However, I can be a more conservative one and wait for the candle to close, and then as soon as market come back to retest it, I enter a sell. Do you see what I'm saying? And the same thing right here. When market breaks above over here and then closes outside, you can either wait for retest and buy it, or what you do is you wait for the market to go out. When market breaks out, you can enter it and you start entering trades up. But what that means, you have a chance of market coming back for a retest, then go up. Yeah, 100%. I freestyle it, man. You can say freestyle, you can call it freestyle, you can, so long as my trade's going. That's my whole thing. So long you make money, I'm not really too technical about, or possible fake out. Yes, 100%. And you're never going to be right or wrong. I mean, right all the time. So I know that there's a possibility of if I get the trade going up. But let's look at it, guys. On a 30-minute time frame, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Here's price, right? We can see right here. That's a big one. And then let's just look at it. We make it smaller to these ones right here. And then there, we draw a line like this, because this is something we're going to watch out for, right? Now, let's just say market impulses out here, and you take an entry as soon as it impulses out above this high, like above this candle. Let's say this is how it's going to work. Let's just do this, right? That's a long. As soon as market breaks that high, we take an entry. Put a stop loss mid. So this is about 100, so 50. So there, right? 1:2 is right over here. That's 1:2, and 1:4 is over there. Okay. Let's say you enter this one. Bam! And you just stop loss immediately. But remember, on this side, I have a sell. As soon as the market breaks that low, also impulse. This is the impulsive entry, right? The impulsive entry. So now I take a stop loss there, and then this one, I catch him for a 1:4. So 1 is 2 is first over here. Stop loss at entry. Then move a stop loss to entry over there. Once that is done, a 1 is to 4. Now you take one stop loss, but you catch a 1 is to 4. So if you risk on a prop firm 1% right here, here you make back, you lose 1%, but here you make back 4%. So you're up 3% for the day. You can walk away. Do you see? That is a simple way for impulsive entries, which is high risk, but you're not going to miss a move. Get what I'm saying? So if you're struggling with missing moves, missing entries, that's one way that I started doing, what I started doing to help me not miss an entry in the market. Okay, does it make sense to you guys? So I know some people don't like that style. Man, this is the way I trade. I like it. It's easy for me, and I'm here just to make my money. I don't care. I just here to make my money, man, and at the most easiest way possible. Do you see? So, do you only trade AMD? Not actually. No. Not only accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Not only that. I would say I do trade trend lines. Hey?
What is it?
AMD
Oh, that's you study.
is used 30 years.
Is it gold?
I was on gold already. There we go.
You're targeting the low, yeah?
Yeah, either these lows here, these lows, especially the lows here. Yeah.
Everything for the sell.
And then if the buys up, you know, bro, you know what I do? I look for the break, bro. So yeah, that's a massive gap though. Yeah. So then we have the same right here. So now watch here. US30 is coming close to it. We have US30 right over here. Watch. Now the next step I'm gonna do, guys, is that I can trade trend lines in a range. So again, this is my yes, massive sells 100%. If this is gonna be a massive sell, it's a massive sell. Okay, to catch. So let's just say someone takes a sell over here. Right, they have these lows. They say, okay, once the market clears these lows, because remember, you want to put a sell stop in. Maybe you want to be like, I don't want to get in with a retest. I just want to get in as soon as market breaks it. Cool. This is for US30. You have a stop loss of 1, 2, 3. This is here. The total is about 100. You do 50. There we go. And then you take it to 50. And then you say break below. And then you take your trade down for a sell. You see? So a very simple thing to do, guys, in the market. Nothing crazy, nothing massive. It's just simple in the market. Yeah. Does it make sense, traders? I hope that makes sense. This is a simple way that I look for trades in the market. Nothing crazy. Another way, like I said, I can use to trade in a range. I'll show you guys another example. German 30 right now. Okay. Let's go to German 30 because I know you guys also German 30 as well. I'm not going to go to the daily time frame. I'm going to go straight into analysis, right? Okay. It already broke out. It already broke out the range. Did I see that? It already broke out the range. There we go. You see, impulsed. So now let's say you did the first. Let's say you try to do the impulse entry. So right over here, when market breaks this one, you entered. Now your stop loss would have been that's 40, say 50, 29, 20, 25%. I mean 25 pips. Sorry. And then your full target, what is the 2 will be there, somewhere there, and then you go for the last low, which should be right over here. This would be a entry for retest, right? I mean impulse. Retest entry would be like this. That's a retest entry. So you know if you market to retest and then go in. Now sometimes the market gives you retest, sometimes the market doesn't give you retest, sometimes the market just falls all the way, or sometimes the market breaks out, looks like it's gonna give you retest, and it's a fake out, and it goes right back out. Now, how do I protect myself from this? Because the strategy is not it. The strategy is not gonna solve my losses or solve me from not losing, but what's gonna actually make me profits is actually gonna be the risk management after that. Okay, So how do I know to hold a trade? That's a very good one. This is what I'm going to come to, guys. How do I actually know how to hold my trade longer? And it's a very, 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 very good thing to know, okay? Very simple thing to know is how do I know to hold a trade longer? Okay, but before I go there, I want to explain to you guys another simple tip to trade the market. But okay, we can do that another day. So where is this? Let's do gold. I have to gold GBUSD. There we go. Okay, GBUSD as well. 30-minute time frame. We have this full range right here. Now the thing is, if you look at it, we have a range like that. We're taking it right here. Focus on these. Focus on these. Now before it could have been like that. Before it could have been like this, and market came to break, retest, came all the way in, then fold out. Now because market stopped twice here, I'm gonna put it right over here, and this is me adjusting right now. Now market will be breaking out. If market closes outside here, now a person who takes a risk entry, he'll be in right now. Right? There's a risky entry. Someone got in for risk entry. He waits over here for the low of that candle, and then he takes the size of this first. The size of that 23, and we make it 13. Okay, so you can be entering like that, something like that, and then he takes it for 1:2. Starting with the 1:2. I'm now with you. There we go, and that could be a trade. Do you understand? That's a trade for a German GBUSD again. To continuation for a sell. Now you look at the current market. What's been happening? Going down. Now how do I know? How do I know exactly how to hold a trade longer? That's my next question. How do I know how to hold a trade longer? Let's go to gold. Right. That's what I'll do. Let's just go, for example, on a 5-minute time frame. I'm gonna do a different one because it works on the 5 minutes as well, guys. You probably see me, especially in December, I was trading. What do you think about a negative RR? Honestly, I used to do it. I still sometimes do it. I still do sometimes a negative RR on my personal accounts when I'm doing account flipping. Right? I do it sometimes, guys. I don't have anything bad at it. One of my brothers, he trades on 1:1 only. Right? It's a normal, but he get one, he trades, he risk 1, but he makes back 0.5%. That means you must have a high risk, a high win rate. So the trick with trading, that's a very good question. I'm very happy you brought this up. In trading, you're either gonna have a high win rate with a lower risk to reward ratio, or you have a low win rate but you have a high risk to reward ratio. You can't have both. If you have both, you're a unicorn, bro. You're a unicorn. Then I need you in my life. But I'm gonna show you a simple trick, guys. Like honestly, simple. This is what I do. And my mentor taught me this. I guess my ex-mentor, he taught me this. So credit is due to where it's due. Thank you to that trader. And I think he's no more to be known. He's an old school guy, you know. There we go. So I put it on 8, so it's EMA 8, and this is only to manage my trade. Okay, guys, to manage my trade. So let's first put it off. I'm gonna put an example for you guys, right, on a 5-minute time frame. Let's just, for instance, say we have drawn out this range. Okay, we have a beautiful range right here. And I'm sure you guys can see it, right? I assume you guys can see it. So there's different ways of entering a trade. Either a full breakout. Wow.
So good.
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Really?
Yeah.
Aww.
It's beautiful.
And the sun?
Yeah. It's the whole thing. It's beautiful. It's the ambiance. It's beautiful. Yeah. So the first one would be either do the impulse, right? So this is the cheat code, guys. This is a simple cheat code I want to share with you guys, and I'm gonna leave this with you guys for today. Okay, a simple cheat code. I'm still go. I went over US 30, gold, German 30, GBUSD. I can do nice for you, but this is a cheat code. Just watch until the end right now. Okay. when you got either the impulse entry, right? You got the impulse entry, or you say wait for the retest, right? So you either can wait for the retest. There you go. See that? You can wait for the retest. Fine. Okay. So let's work on the impulse or the retest. Any of the two. We can work with the impulse or the retest. Meaning, as soon as the breakout, you take it, or as soon as the retest, you take it. Now, once we get in this, we work with both entries, right? We have both entries. The market breaks out as soon as it break above this highs right here, the low at high there, this one here. We're gonna say we're getting in. Then we say, okay, we're taking this, we put on the middle line. Once you put the middle line on, it's an easy way to put a stop loss. So you know that's where the stop loss is. So now we go for 1:4. There we go. You see that? That is great. However, in order to hold my trade all to there, I put on my EMA, my 8 EMA. So long the market is holding above it and retests it, I scale a trade in. Does it make sense? So long the market's going to stay above this 8 EMA, I'm going to hold my trade and enter trade when it touches it. Bam! I enter another trade. So right before the market hits take profit, you enter another trade right over here, and then it's take profit. So here at this time already, you're already running at about 1:3, 1:2, 1:3. Do you see that? Are you guys listening? High risk, high reward, man. Okay, now look here. Watch. Mark comes back to retest. Hits take profit. Comes to retest. You enter here. Now watch this. How to hold a trade longer. Watch this. Once it goes in there, you go for 1:4. Okay, remember always stop loss here. Go for 1:4. It's right over here. 1:4 is here. As he enters retest, guys, as he goes in retest it, hits take profit, but it goes above the 8 EMA. Guess what? You're gonna hold it. It goes above the 8 EMA. You hold it. When it retests the EMA, guess what? Stop loss all up to 1:4, which is right over here. When it retests, you take the exact same risk that you entered over here. You enter it again over here. You understand? So now you get another entry right over here as retest, and your stop loss, where you put your stop loss for your take profit, right? For 1:4, you put it right over there. And then you hold it again. And you hold this one, and you hold it again. You understand? Until the market breaks with the candle below, you stop. So the market went up all the way up to, at least you can say 1:5 on this one, and with this one, market went up for a 1:17. Now I know a lot of traders not going to hold for 1:17. I know that. But if you had to hold at least when the market closed below with the body, you would have taken it at least over here. It gives you 1:12, another 1:3, 1:2, 3, almost 1:3. That's about 1:15 equivalent on the trade. That's how I'll get to hold a trade much more longer. A simple method by simply using a 8 EMA, traders. Very simple. Very simple. Now, we go to actual price. I hope I didn't delete all my stuff, because I tend to delete my stuff. Sorry, that's that one. I tend to delete all my things. Okay, there we go. So I don't want this to disturb us. So I remove that right now. 30-minute time frame, and there we have the analysis. Please don't forget to update us about 50% discount. There's a 30% discount right now, guys. You can use a 30% discount. And if you want to trade with the broker I'm using, Space Markets, the link's in the description, as well as the prop firm. Is the 5-minute chart the best for the strategy? Yeah, I mean, for me personally, I'm doing for NFP right now, right? I'm trading for NFP, so this is great for NFP. But again, like I said, guys, you can use this also on a on a 5-minute time frame. I always show it on different time frames to show you guys it works on all time frames and any chart. So it works on daily, weekly. I can go to monthly and show you how it works on a monthly. And especially the higher time frame. The higher the time frame, the easier the trade is. It's just gonna have to hold the trade much more longer. But for me personally, if you ask me what's the best times, guys, for me personally, what does Shaquel like? I like the 5-minute, 30 minute, 50 minute, 5 minute. The 1 minute for this is like very noisy. You know what I mean? I use different strategies for the 1 minute time frame, but this is the most easy strategy I say for anybody, and I love using it. 5 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute. You just have to choose a time frame. Is there any giveaways for watching the stream? Is there any giveaways? I think there's giveaways of knowledge on the stream. If you just come for watching the stream and you want me to give you stuff because you watch the stream, bro, I give you an hour of my time for free. People charge you an hour. People charge you for signals. People charge you for a simple PDF. People charge you for a cause. People charge you for a mentorship. People charge you for just being in the chat and they never chat to you. People charge you for just being in a WhatsApp group and they charge you and they never get back to you. People charge you and they charge you for your own life. People charge you for breathing. And we say, here's a free live stream. Free live stream. Free live stream. Where's the mic? Drop that shit. Drop the. I know you want something, guys, but honestly, with that be said, what does this happen now? I think this came a mistake. Okay. Santa, isn't the knowledge is for free? So with that be said, guys, yeah, I hope that, but we're over 3K subscribers, so guess what, there is a giveaway happening. Love the energy, but still a lot of sales talk. Oh my gosh, I don't know where am I selling something. I want to know though what sales talk. I want to know what am I selling though. Like I want to know. Do you guys know like do I sell anything right now? Okay, check the merch. Okay, what we can do is I will do giveaway. I like doing giveaways with you guys. I do, but I don't want. The reason why I made a thing about it now is because I don't want our streams to be just about giveaways. I don't want people to come on the stream and just wait for giveaway and then they leave. We here to help you guys. People are paying for mentorships, live streams, signals, all causes, but yet they've been scammed. Here we are about full transparency. We're trying to help traders make sure they understand how to make decisions on the market, as well as being well informed, and then also they make money with us on stream. That way it's full transparency, you know what I mean? But on the other end, I still like giving away. Okay, I still like giving away. Okay, guys. So with that being said, my giveaway is always the info. Yeah. Bro, your time is more than enough. I appreciate it, but we will do a giveaway. I think do you have commit caps? Yes, we do. Let me show you guys. I think I don't know, it's locked. Let's see here. We have a lot of merch, guys. Space. We have caps. We have like a lot of things. I'm on a 4-year with Shaquel and he hasn't led me wrong. I always learn from him every day. I appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. There's some stickers as well, guys. I'm gonna show you guys Comit as well now. There's stickers. There's a lot of things, guys. A lot of things. Like there's Comit as well. There's a lot of things, right? And we're gonna give it away for you guys. See what we have as well. We have events checklist for Commit Capital. Okay. You see, then I'm gonna do giveaways for you guys. Trust me, I'm gonna do giveaways. I'm gonna just plan a giveaway. We're already doing a giveaway. Yeah. See, there's a giveaway doing on Commit Capital right now. Actually, there's a giveaway. Do you guys like Pup? Did you guys meet Pup? Go meet Pup, guys. Pup has a Rolex, RM on. RM. Check his Cuban chain, bro. His Cuban chain over there. It's amazing. You sound like a preacher. I don't know if it's good or bad. I already met him. He's cute. I don't know if it's good or bad. If someone tells me if you speak like a preacher, is that a good thing or bad thing? Pup has more drip than most of us. Good, you speak in the gospel. Yeah, there we go. Speak life, bro. There's a lot of stuff. There's merch like this. Commit. There's so much things, bro. Like there's a lot of stuff. Like, see there. Commit. There's a lot of things. I won't lie. There's so much things, guys. I want to show you guys something else, man. It's a lot, bro. Like I just a lot. Okay. So with that being said, guys, again, when you're entering, I'm gonna go for impulse entry above or impulse entry below, as well as for the retest as well and retest below. I'm gonna go for all my entries. So if I get the entry for impulse above, I'll go for it. Then I'll take it into here. And well, if market impulse is below, right over this candle right here, I'll go for it. If market impulses as well above these as well, as soon as market impulse, I'll go for entry. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. It's very simple. It's more of a waiting, and I do want this to happen for NFP though. So I'm gonna wait for it. Be patient, and it's NFP, and it's a Friday. So first gonna go to Juma, to prayer, and then come with that. I trust that I've made good plans for us. I had the same plan, 100%. It's just about waiting, bro. Like there's nothing else. Like have alert set here, at this one here, and have an alert set here at this one there, and then you wait. Okay. So once again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this session. It was a very, very great session. You guys are stars. But I will do a giveaway. I'm going to speak to the team and ask for a giveaway. I think the best giveaway would be probably merch for you guys. But there is a giveaway happening right now on the Instagram of Commit Capital. And they're giving away a $5,000 account. But I think the merch probably like some merch, some bottles. There's a bottle. Check the bottle. Come and show you guys. Here's the bottle. Here's a bottle. Commit Capital. A 1 million account would be the best. I mean, we can do that as well. We can definitely do that. We can do that. I mean, it's something we can do. But I thought maybe you guys want some merch this time, because we're always giving accounts. You know what I mean? Like we always give some accounts. 1 hour feels like 10 minutes on these streams. Bro, I know, nah. It's just not enough. I know, bro. Like, I know. But at least, like, you guys have a plan right now. Screenshot it. The live is recorded. So you always can go back to what am I saying about the market, what we're waiting for. That's why the streams are, I love you, K. I love you, San. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Is the bottle for me? I mean, guys, do you guys want the bottle or something? Like, I can literally, we need a 24-hour stream, okay? You see? Maybe, look. On the stream. And you guys know, me and Safwan, we give our money away to you guys. We know that. You guys know, you guys know that exactly, bro. December alone, or November, on stream, we did live immediate payments, cash to you guys. So, relax. You know we always give you guys. Like we literally always give you guys. You guys are making it about giveaways. Like we don't give away money or accounts. We just didn't give merch away yet. You see. So that's the only thing we didn't give merch away yet. But we gave you guys cash immediate payments on stream. We give you guys accounts, and then also now we're gonna give you guys some merch. So I'm like, I'm sure you guys would like, bro. If you look at our merch is next level, bro. Like if you look at, bro, like I promise you, everyone's gonna ask you, like, there's one for I need money for Lambo. There's literally who. There's one for margin call. Margin call who? You see. So with that being said, guys, you forgot about Nasdaq. Hey, bro, I'm gonna go for. Yeah, we do a 24-hour stream at 10,000 subscribers, back to back traders. That can be some. Okay, trades back to back. We can do that. Okay. Yeah, SS team is the colored centers. Oh my gosh, what the hell? But yeah, definitely. We were the Santas for December. Yeah, definitely. We were giving out some cash, right? Go live for NFP. I'm going to be at. I'll try. I don't know. I'm not gonna promise. I won't be live. Maybe I can. And Saf one is not here. I'm gonna be busy. I have a plan for NFP, man, and I can trade NFP easy, but like I won't be able to go live. To be honest, you guys, I won't be able to go live. No pressure. Thank you. So I'll take it from here. This is another one. Here we can have short-term trades. Okay. We have an Indian from India in the chat. He says the prices are too expensive. Yeah. Okay. The idea of can we have? I think let's do this. I'll say I'm gonna take a picture of this now. Okay. Let's do this. Right? We can do this. I'm gonna take a picture, and I take a picture of this. Quick. There we go. I took a picture of what you guys are saying, and then I'm gonna go to the team and I'll speak with them and say, "Yo, can we have something for the stream, like a giveaway, and then maybe a massive discount for the 24-hour stream, or we just have a big stream." Everyone comes, big stream, and then massive discount, and then maybe the massive discount for 2 hours or an hour, and you guys can get access to it. I think that, like, if you guys are really, really, really serious, okay, so we can do that. But with that being said, guys, this is my analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned.
Pull up to the market like boom, 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 boom. Snipe, snipe, snipe.
I'm scared. So yeah, we'll do that. I'll speak. So a million rand giveaway, 50% give off. I'm gonna speak with them. I'll speak and see what we can do. Maybe a 50% off, but only for a specific amount of hours, like an hour or something like that. And then, because literally, honestly, bro, people are getting paid by us. Like, we are paying people, and the market was shaking. Bro, the market was shaking right now.
What is shaking?
Yeah, because of you right now. Yeah,
The market's about to.
like this. I'm gonna do
No.
something, huh? Bro, maybe we can do something like a massive giveaway, man. Like, oh, not a giveaway, because we're doing a giveaway. We have merch.
We have the
But
giveaway day.
we have a giveaway.
We will do some merch.
But also, why don't we do a nice discount for an hour? Because we need the 3,000 subscribers, bro.
Let's just show them a sneak peek. How many interviews you watch you? Like over the cover pic.
Show them. They've been asking to see this stuff, bro. Or we can do. Did you start on the account flipping? No, I didn't start. Remember, I keep on telling you, keep updated. I'm waiting for stuff one to come through. Alex want to show you guys something as well. Stay tuned. Just here before we go, watch. Alex gonna show you guys something.
No, I wanted to show like nothing special, you know.
Oh, so you don't want to show them?
Good stuff, you know.
But I mean, just show them how much stuff it is.
Got a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Got a lot.
A lot. Damn, son.
Take the comment.
This one is dirty though.
This is comment, right?
Yeah.
Show the comment, show,
Comment.
show.
Comet. There's a lot of stuff, guys. So much things.
Let's show them the.
I showed him this as well. No, I didn't show them that. I showed this. We can show them that for the laptop, for the mouse.
Hey, you even have a mouse pad, yeah.
Mouse pad, bro.
Yeah.
Literally a mouse pad. They want t-shirts. You guys are doing the best for us. We
It's
appreciate
okay,
something like we have to do something like, but a big one for we hit because we hit a massive, bro. We hit a massive milestone.
Check,
3,000.
Show them the pen, how cool it
I showed them this pin as well. We have 3,307, 3,300 subscribers now. So we have to do something nice with them. Maybe like or discount, and then for the hour, you guys can buy your accounts for the hour, okay? And then if you buy an account that specific day, you get maybe a specific merch. The bigger, maybe if you buy a $200,000 account, you get maybe a T-shirt, but it's 50% off. This is 50% off, but you get maybe like some merch with it. Huh?
On Monday early, my computer is gonna be delivered.
Yay! Listen to this, bro. How about this?
Yeah.
Cause they asking for a discount, bro. So like, okay,
On a discount.
yeah, they want a discount.
What time?
So if we do a 100 account, 100k account, 200k account, we do 50% off. And if they buy the account, they get a merch with.
That's true.
That's a nice one. For do you feel like an hour only
See,
straight?
Merch website, the merch website will be added to all the 3 brands. up
Yeah.
front, so they can click and redirect.
Yeah.
That will be happening.
But that's gonna happen soon, though. Yeah, the merch website. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we have a website. It's in the making right now. But I mean, like I'm gonna speak with the team.
That was clean, bro.
And we will take it from there, okay, guys? So the setup is gold is coming close to it, bro. Gold is coming there.
That's 15 minutes.
Yeah. So you must take action in your trades.
Hey man, I was busy. working.
Again, guys, peace, love, happiness, and I hope you guys understand. Don't forget, don't lose sight on the chart. Don't let me come back on live and then tell you guys, oh, you see? Oh, imagine 70% of on discount, bro. That's crazy.
70% is crazy, bro.
That's so crazy. Yeah. I'm on your stream since the 3 days and really love it. Amazing, man. I appreciate it. Guys, we will do something for you guys. I'm all for it. 50% off on the merch. We'll cop 500k account. I'll come up with something. Just give me a few days and then I'll see what we can do for you guys, okay? But I'm going to make sure we do something for you guys. I'll make sure. Okay, guys, peace, love, happiness. Watch this market right now, guys. Watch it. Peace, love, happiness, guys. And I'll see you guys on the other side.